and welcome back to Icarus Metalworks. I look like a mafia gangster and he looks like somebody straight out of industrial New York because it's raining outside and it feels fantastic today, like 74 degrees, right? 80. So anyways, this is just to keep the rain off while we're getting out here to the shop, but today we're starting up on a new project, or he's starting first, because I still have other things to finish and my project will take a bit of learning. So, we're making Viking stuff. And he's going to be turning this bar of 80 CRV2, what is it, inch and a half by 24? Yeah, turning this 80 CRV2 into a really cool Viking Langseax, sort of designed based on, which one was it?
Saxon Dagnall, I think.
That's the one. So yep, he's going to be working on that today, then forging out his blade shape, possibly running the hammer some, so let's get down to business.
This is what goes on behind the scenes. We have minor problems with ancient machinery, and we have to do power hammer mechanic stuff. Ow! Oh, shit, that hurt. I caught my finger on this here while I was trying to hammer the die in. All for the show, folks. And back to your regularly scheduled program.
Well, surprise, surprise. Oh, that's all foggy, but it's the very next day. Not like a week after the fact like it is usually for us. But, be better. Yeah, so the lovely rainy weather we had yesterday managed to spin up into a bit of a hurricane overnight, minor one, so it's minor wind damage here and there. But today, and he disappeared. There he is. He's gonna keep on working on his sax. So, kind of business. Alright, so first order of business, he wants this bit of rebar welded on at the holding stick to make beveling easier. So I'm gonna set the welder up really quick. There you go. Came out of the coal bag, whatever it was. It's gonna die now. You might want to stoke that fire.
It sounds like we're about doing.
Huh?
It's perfect for about doing.
Okay. I'll crank those back open then. Oh, cheerio. Camera's all yours. Whatever it is that he threw into the fire from the coal bag, it smells awful. And it's the next morning. He's getting an early jump on things. He's working on more beveling today, so it should be hopefully decent. So yep, down to that then.
Going to let it cool down and then going to measure my tang.
A few minutes ago, the world had taken a decidedly Nordic turn. It still looks a bit Nordic, right? But not as cool now. It's not as cold as we'd like, but sky is cool and overcast, and it was misting pretty heavily earlier, so it's pretty cool looking. It kind of comes and goes today, so yeah, nice kind of Norse weather for Norse builds. Let's see the profile. Nice. Hey, check it out, the mist is back. Now it's proper Nordic. Starting to really come down now. Nice heavy mist. You probably can't see it on camera, but it's really cool. It's looking like winter out here. Yeah.
refine your craft. Studying is crucial.
Alright, and I think that's a good place to wrap up for today. Blake got the Langseax all nice and forged, pretty much almost all the way to profile. Tip needs a bit of grinding, bells need a bit of grinding, profile needs a bit of grinding, but it's all beveled, the tang looks pretty good, it's to dimension. As you can tell, it's been a couple hours because the forge is all put away and it's cold now, but his part's done. Of the forging at least, so that's pretty cool. So we're gonna be wrapping up there. Make sure that you stay tuned. Tune in next time though to watch me turn some of that there into a Viking style bearded axe. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to see our future videos and to see how this project turns out. That's really all for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time.